Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks. Let's move these out of the way a bit. And I will be decorating for the first official week of December. Let's put this down there. And I will be decorating with one of my newest collections. It's not even out yet. I just decorated, or I just drew this literally a couple of days ago, and I just print and cut this. And this is the Winter Snow Globes collection. And there's actually a little bit of color to this clear mat, so it kind of, the look I was going for was kind of like a textured watercolor paper, and you can't really see it on camera, but when you compare it to, I'm just trying to compare it to another set of sticker paper here, you can tell this clear mat is white, whereas this one has a little bit of color and texture to it. Anyway, so there's the deco, the paint swatches, the circles, as well as the mini deco, the washi, and then the quote. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one I want to put down is probably this big snow globe here. See, you can tell a difference already. There's a difference in the color of the paper, but there's a part of me that doesn't want to cover the quote. I love being able to see the quote now. I wonder if, oh, I can't believe I'm gonna cut this in half with my new scissors. New scissors. Yes, these arrived last week and are amazing. Not just amazing, but they also look really pretty. I'm gonna put the globe on either half of the page, and I know there's a bit of a gap there. It's okay as long as the picture lines up. Oh, that makes me happy. And then I'm going to take this. What I'm going to add actually is a little bit of this, whatever's left in here. And one of you awesome viewers, you know who you are, sent me a roll of the same washi. And I got that. Thank you so much to whoever sent that. You know who you are. Thank you very much. So I'm going to add a little bit of washi down here, and a little washi down here. And I like this collection because it can still be festive, gosh, these nails, without necessarily being just about Christmas. It's wintry. And I'm gonna take this washi and actually cut it along where the tree is, and place a little one there, and then place one here. Oh, I really like that so far. Then I think I'm gonna place one of these. It's supposed to be like a brown color. It looks a little bit more gray. And I'm gonna place a small tree with the cabin, just like so. Really simple. And then I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna use the Pelican 140, and it currently is inked with diamine mistletoe. And I'm gonna end up getting ink on my hands here, so let's do that. And this is such a fun pen because of that flex. Look at how fun that is. Just got to make sure that I'm actually writing the correct day of the week, because I feel like I've made that mistake before. Perfect. I like the green, but I think I'm also going to combine it with the Ferris Wheel Press Blue Barrel Tonic that's in here. So I'm going to go in and write in all of my meetings. So there's my overall finished spread. I actually really like the blue with the green in here because there's little bits of blue in the snow globe itself. And I really like the blue and the rose gold. This is going to be a fun I say a fun week, but it's a fun week to look at. And I really like being able to look at the quotes. Like, knitting is a lot of work. You have to keep using your body for, say, 50 hours to shape a story with the yarn. That's lovely. I really like being able to read these quotes now that I have the English version of the weeks. All right, so I still have a lot of stickers left. I'm going to be using these in my cousin, and if not the weekly spread, then definitely in the daily spread. And I hope to film a daily journal video for this week as well. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. These snow globes will be released in my shop on Friday, December, what day is that? 9th. Friday, December 9th. And you will be able to use the code JOLLY15, yes, JOLLY15, to get 15% off my shop that weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.